I told Miranda the other day, she was like, she asked very nicely. She was like, do you think that, oh, she said, I know you had said that you really wanted to like make some dressers for us,
Oh.
right? I
Mm-hmm.
was like, I would love to. And she goes, realistically, when do you think that might happen? She goes, I know you got a ton of projects that you're working on, you got lined up, just so I can kind of like level set expectations. And
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna be honest with you. That's an aspirational project.
Yeah.
They're huge. They're gonna be expensive, and we need two of them.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not something I want to do right now.
Yeah.
I was like, I know you're not gonna ask, but I'll tell you. Why don't you just start looking for one that you like online and we'll
Yeah.
buy them?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I
So
think
then
that's
I want to
yeah.
put our current dresser in the back here, and then that will house like all of my inventory for like the 3D printed items and stuff like
That's
that. So
cool.
they're in drawers and it's
Yeah.
nice and put away and it's neat. That's kind of what I'm going for. And
Yeah.
then I could
There you
like have a little decoration behind me or something, you know?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I think
So-
that's a great idea. Yeah, it's the make or buy furniture. It's like you can really only make furniture that you don't need right away. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's urgent and you need it right away, it's like you should just go buy it.
Just buy it.
I
Yeah.
had that same conversation with my wife a few weeks ago. She was like, yeah, I know you got a lot going on. I don't want to upset you, but we've talked about building a desk in my office. Is that going to happen anytime soon? And I was like, go ahead and
No.
order one. It's
Yeah.
just,
Yeah.
there's too much other stuff. If you want one now, go ahead and order it. I'd love to do it, but I just can't get to it right now.
Yeah.
But
So
see,
she
then
did.
I feel wasteful because it's like, all right, like I don't want you to go and buy like an IKEA dresser. Like, go buy something that's nice. So, like,
Yeah.
I don't know, dressers what, $1,500?
Yeah, it depends. I mean, sky's the limit probably.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna get two of them. Call it $3,000. It's like I just spent $3,000 on something that I'm like, it's not really what I wanted,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I hear that too.
you know. But realistically, am I ever gonna build one anytime soon? No.